It all started with a sketch, just a thought, a whisper of an idea I couldn't let go. I imagined a girl, calm and weightless, sitting on a lotus swing, floating somewhere between dreams and nature. There were no reference, no photos, just what I saw in my mind and slowly brought to life on canvas. There was no reference, only emotion guiding the brush. I started with background, distant mountains, soft clouds, and layers of greenery. The beauty of painting from imagination is freedom. You are not recreating what you see, you are revealing what you feel. I saw it in my mind, a girl, senior and weightless, floating on a lotus swing, surrounded by mountains, clouds, and nature in its purest form. This isn't a recreation of what I see, it's a world that didn't exist until I painted it, one stroke at a time. The swing came next, suspended from the unseen. I imagined her floating above the world, calm in her own space. She slowly appeared, centered, still, yet full of presence. I placed her on blooming lotus, a symbol of peace, strength, and softness. When I close my eyes, I see scenes. This one felt too peaceful to forget. I wanted her to feel like she belongs to nature, like she is one with the sky. The lotus became her throne, and the swing her freedom. Finishing touches are my favorite part, that final spark that brings it all to life. This painting isn't just made of colors, it holds stillness, softness, and serenity. She now lives on this canvas, a memory born from imagination. If this painting gave you a moment of peace, I have done my job. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more stories from the soul.